Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to invite buyers to your store on Foundation's Seller Portal. Inviting buyers to your store is a crucial step in expanding your customer base. Let's walk through the process together. First, log into the Seller Portal. On the left-hand column, you'll find the Customers section. Click on this to navigate to your customer list. On the Customers page, you'll see a blue Invite button on the top right corner. Click on this button to open the invitation form. Here you'll need to fill in the buyer's details. The mandatory fields are full name, business name, email address, state, and country. However, we recommend filling in all the details in the basic information box, including the buyer's address and phone number. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review the information, ensuring it's accurate. When you're ready, click the Invite Customer button on the right side. The buyer will then receive an email notification about the invitation to your store. The email includes details of your store and an Accept Invitation button. Once the buyer clicks on this button, they'll be prompted to set up a password. After setting up the password, they'll be logged into the storefront and will be able to see your product catalog. And that's it. You've successfully invited a buyer to your store on Foundation's Seller Portal. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.